Hello, my name is Rohit Pandey and I live in Thane, Maharashtra. So, I am 18 years old and there are four members in my family, and I have one elder brother and I live with my parents. So, I am currently pursuing first year i- computer engineering in Terna Engineering College, Nerul. So, my hobbies are to write poems, to write stories, to listen to stand-up comedy, to listen various kinds of music which I like. So, my first hobby that I want to tell you is poem writing. So, I am writing poem since when I was in seventh standard. So the reason of writing my poem are of course my stammering, uh, because from childhood I always spoke less. So therefore my mind chosen the path of writing poems writing stories. So I generally wrote I generally write stories in Hindi, English, and Marathi. Yes, Marathi is my mother tongue, and I am not much fluent with English. Sorry for that. so, so my second hobby is listening songs. I like more. So I like more Indian songs than the Western. Means it does not mean that I don't totally like the Western songs. Means I have I have listened songs like Shape of You and all the songs of DJ Snake and Alan Walker and all the Western music artists, and I also listened all the songs of BTS. But as per my opinion, BTS songs are means they are okay, but so as per my opinion, BTS songs are okay, but I like more Indian songs. Means by singing means if you ask my opinion about the Korean music, I will say some are good and some are bad. Means, and if you ask me about Korean drama, so it is best. So, huh, where I was, I my hobbies are listening songs, and I more like uh, Indian songs. Like the in the north, we see more Hindustani Sangeet, and as we go below Maharashtra or in Maharashtra, we see Carnatic song or say Karnataki Sangeet. So I also like Hindustani songs and all the uh, types of song that sung in all over India. Uh, by saying in Marathi, I like many singers from Marathi like Mahesh Kale, Rahul Deshpande, and all the versatile singer like Shankar Mahadevan, and also Sonu Nigam and Anand Shinde and Adarsh Shinde. So that was a part of a normal Marathi song. But my another hobby is to listen kirtans. Those who don't know a kirtan, Kirtan is as same like a bhajan, but but in that bhajan people only only says poems and the songs, but in the kirtan the 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 person who do a kirtan tells a good thing by giving examples to the mm, other people. So I like listening kirtans in Marathi. And as you know, by I said kirtans, I like all the saints of India, means like संत कबीर और संत रामदास, ज्ञानेश्वर, तुकाराम, and all. But my favorite saint is Sant Jnaneshwar. So my favorite saint is Sant Jnaneshwar, uh, and Sant Tukaram, and I like all the abhanga made by them. Abhanga made means the book uh, where these saints written all the shloks, all the good thing that they wanted to tell to the other common people. So I was saying about Carnatic music. So in the Carnatic music, I like Mahesh Raghavan. So as you can search on YouTube, you will find his channel. Mahesh Raghavan creates excellent Carnatic fusion music. And if you saw the normal old Carnatic music, I prefer Tyagaraja Tyagaraja's song. Tyagaraja is not present in this century. Tyagaraja was present in South India from uh, before 200 to 300 years ago. So my uh, another hobby is listening stand-up comedy. More than means, as you see online and any other social media platforms, you see many stand-up comedians, but I like very few stand-up comedians which I think they are best, means like Zakir Khan, or that Tanmay Bhatt, and some that we see on YouTube. And so so as I said, I like only few stand-up comedians, and unfortunately they are not present in these uh, years. So the first stand-up comedian which I like is Pula Deshpande. Those who are Maharashtrians or the Marathi speakers, they all know who is Pula Deshpande, and what he what he has written. So the first one is P.L. Deshpande, or say Pula Deshpande, and second is Vapu Kale, or you can say V.P. Kale, and the third is Shankar Patil. Means all these were stand-up comedians from before the 2000 era, means before 2000, not era, sorry. But 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 I also like reading books of a few authors, because uh, I am new in this uh, reading hobby. So till now I have till now I have read books of means 5 to 6 books of Sudha Murthy, and R.K. Narayan and P.L. Deshpande and Vappu Kale uh, and Vishwas Nangre Patil's famous book Man Mein Hai Vishwas, and that another famous book of Robert Kiyosaki, that is Rich Dad and Poor Dad, and I have also read the book written by uh, huh. So I have also read the book written by Panhelo Colhello. The title of the book is The Alchemist. So my last hobby is writing stories. As you know, I am a stammerer, and I don't like to speak more. Means means my ho- means my hobby is to speak more, and with various kinds of uh, people and various kinds of personalities. But because of some inferiorness, I I generally don't talk to new people, or don't talk more to anyone. Means my friend circle is big, but my talking circle is very small, because as this time of social media, all the introverts are extrovert online. So I am that kind of person. Means I speak more on social media, but as when I say the next person to speak on call, so he or she generally rejects that, leave that. So so this is the reason behind my writing. Means my mouth stopped talking and my hand started writing. So I am writing from 8 to when I was in 8th or 9th standard. Means I generally write my experiences um, by writing up uh, to them in a page, or just few months back I started writing my own stories. Means I get inspired from various kinds of activity that happen in my environment, and by my imagination I make stories. So so sorry for this big video. Lastly, I want to tell you about my aims. So as I said in the first few minutes, I am currently pursuing first year of computer engineering. So my aim is to become a good um, computer engineer, or you can say software engineer, or to become a good engineer. And my other aim is to become a good citizen of this country and to do something for my country. And my last aim is to become a good author and to become a good poet. So thank you for listening me.